Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Knight Maidens idle RPG game crashing or not working or not loading or not opening issue on Android phone. So the very first method is to restart your phone once. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. Now after your device restarts, check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, now search for Knight Maidens Idle RPG game, and here you will find if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If it is so, if you are using mobile data, go to Wi-Fi or do vice versa and then check if it's working. If not, then the next solution is to force stop the app. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info, then click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the app. Now after that, check if the issue is fixed. If not, you are suggested to clear the cache of the particular game. For that, click on storage and cache. Now click on clear cache and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, then you should check if your device needs any kind of update. For that, go to the settings, go below, click on system update, and here you should check if there is any update available. If there is any update, click on the update, and once your device OS is updated, now try to play the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, you are suggested to install any VPN services and then try to launch the game and check. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN, and you will get lots of VPN apps available. Install any one of it and change the location, and after that try to play the game or launch the game and check whether it's working or not. So if you still face the same issue, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on uninstall icon and then click on uninstall. After the game is removed, now go to Google Play Store again, then click on the search option, search for the game, and click on the install option and then check if it's working now. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.